How to see your Gmail password if you have forgotten it. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can see our Gmail password if we forgot it. So let's just dive right into the video without any delay. So if you really want to look out for your Gmail password if you have forgotten it, the only method we have is if you have saved your password of your Gmail in your Gmail itself. So all you need to do is head over to the account where you have saved your password. So you can head over to any of the Google application itself. Go ahead and tap on your profile at the top and go to manage your Google account. After that, you will be led to this page. So go to the security tab, scroll right and scroll down until you're able to find the section called password manager. Go ahead and tap on it and look for gmail.com. So if you find gmail.com here, just go ahead and tap on it. And when you do that, you will be finding your Gmail account along with the password. So all you need to do is tap on this eye icon in order to look for your password. And that is it. So that is the method you can apply up. If you don't know that, then all you need to do is recover your password. That is only the way possible. So you can go ahead and type in an email password that you've forgotten and tap on forgot password here. After that, that should do it. So that is how you see your Gmail password if you have forgotten it. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.